to UK Prime Time. I believe everybody's doing good. First of all, I would like to apologize for not being able to make it to the calls. I was really stuck in a lot of deployments, and something really big, something really crazy, enormous is coming on Rift as a feature. As big as, I would say, as big as auto trading engine or smart money, but a different, very unique, one of a kind, something that this industry has not seen, especially in which me and you are in, has not seen before, is coming on Rift. So, and it's fully deployed, it's working, it's operational, and then I'm going to slowly bring it on to Rift before you quit, starting from episode 22nd. Today we are going to cover episode 16, right, Grace? We finished
Absolutely.
15.
Yes.
Mhm. So we finished 15. Today we are going to go in 16. Is it noisy from my background or is it
No,
fine?
no, it
No.
sounds good.
Okay. I'm in a noisy
Mhm.
place. Well, it's all right. So we will finish episode 16 today, and from episode 22, we will start learning about the new feature, understanding what is coming next. So you guys have to wait for around 6 more episodes to understand what is coming next. And with those episodes, we will be covering in detail how the market has been to the traders and what sort of, these episodes will be very, very important to basically understand and to develop your mind and your brain towards prop trading challenges and what we are getting into in terms of prop trading as a feature. By the way, prop trading is also ready in terms of functionality, and hopefully within next uh, 1 month, this July, I believe we will be launching our web app first, the web version of Rift, in which fully functional web application of Rift will be live. And post web application rollout, we will roll out this feature. I mean, as soon as the community understands the the logic of this new feature, that moment we will release a new feature, and post that we will launch the web app as well. So Joe is saying 16 we covered. Joe, did we cover 16 already?
Yes, we did last week. We last time you was in, you did tokenization on episode 16. We're up to 17 now.
17. Okay, so let's go on to episode 17. Let me pull up. Mm. Terms of preparation, I'm at episode 22. So we have prepared till 22. Okay, 17. All right, so today we will start episode 17 and we'll be beginning with the understanding of prop trading. We will enter into prop trading introduction, and then we will slowly understand the details as to what this industry needs and how prop trading has been taken by the industry and what we are going to see next and what we are going to foresee on Rift prop trading experience. So, welcome once again to episode 17 of Drift Before You Quit. We will understand prop trading revolution today. Why the next generation of traders won't trade with their own money. Before we start, I will just put the call on hold for a moment. One moment. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm back. All right. So, why the next generation of traders won't trade with their own money? For decades, one of the biggest myths in trading was that success came from having more capital. People believed that if they could somehow turn 500 into 50,000, everything would change. But professional trading firms discovered something very different. The real bottleneck was not capital, it was skill. If someone could consistently manage risk, preserve capital, and generate repeatable returns, firms were willing to provide the capital. The single realization created an industry that now manages hundreds of billions of dollars globally. Yes, I'm right. So prop trading industry currently in stock market, in crypto, in forex, in commodities now manages billions of dollars. It is known as prop trading, proprietary trading. Today we are diving deep into how prop firms actually work and why most retail traders misunderstand funding, the psychology of professional traders, and how capital allocation really works, how the future of prop trading is evolving, and how Rift's future prop trading infrastructure fits into this evolution. The biggest lie retail traders believe. Most retail traders focus on profits, professional firms focus on risk. A retail trader says, how much can I make? A prop firm asks, how much can you lose? That sounds backwards, but that's exactly why institutions survive. For an example, if we take scenario of two traders, trader A and trader B, trader A makes 40% profit, loses 35%, makes another 25%, loses 30%, makes 20%. This is inconsistent and uninvestable scenario of a trader. No institution, no investor would put their money or capital towards this trader to trade, or this trader will not receive any proprietary funding. Whereas trader B makes 5%, makes 4%, 6%, 3%, 5%. These results are predictable, scalable, and fundable. The profits are not very high. There may be losses which will be very minimal, but losses that already are covered by profits always keeps the chart green, consistent, and compounding. This is the strategy of capital preservation while compounding. So, and trader B's result is predictable, scalable, and fundable, absolutely fundable. Professional firms don't fund gamblers; they fund systems. If we look at the market inside, the majority of hedge funds would rather allocate capital to a trader producing 2 to 5% monthly consistently than someone generating 50% random 50% spikes. Consistency attracts capital. Volatility scares capital. Very simply. And you would do the same as a retail trader or investor. Retail trader mindset is profit first, risk second, emotion driven, and then that leads to account failure. We have discussed in previous 16 episodes of Rift Before You Quit. While professional trader mindset is risk first, process first, consistency, capital scaling, and then it receives funding from anywhere, everywhere. How prop firms really make money? Most people think prop firms make money when traders win. That's only partially true. Prop firms operate through probability. Thousands of traders they enter, only a small percentage pass, and even fewer remain profitable. The firm collects evaluation fee while simultaneously identifying skilled traders. The model resembles venture capital. Many attempts, few winners. Large upside. For an example, there are 10,000 traders who appear into the uh, elimination test, or you can say the screening of prop trading companies. 800 of them pass the evaluation. 120 stay funded. Only 20 out of 10,000 they become elite traders and they consistently generate profits, and out of 25 produce exceptional returns. Rest all traders they kind of fail or they get their accounts defunded or blown. Those five traders often generate enough performance to justify the entire ecosystem. And that's how the prop trading firms they make enormous amount of money on betting on these traders. If we look at the real market example, some of the largest global prop ecosystems collectively process hundreds of thousands of evaluation attempts every year. The vast majority fail not because they lack strategy, they fail because they lack discipline. Why most traders fail funding challenges? Most traders don't fail because of entries, they fail because of over leverage, overconfidence, revenge trading, breaking risk rules, position size abuse, lack of patience. Did you notice something? Strategy is often the smallest problem, behavior is the largest problem. Capital allocation is the real game. Retail traders think trading is about finding opportunities. Institutions know trading is about allocating capital. The world's largest funds don't ask what should we buy. They ask how much should we allocate. That this distinction changes everything. For an example, a hedge fund may identify a perfect opportunity and yet allocate only 1% of capital. Why? Because survival matters more than conviction. Capital allocation formula. This is, how smart money allocates or how smart money is deployed in particular opportunities. Expected return multiplied by risk profile multiplied by position size is institutional allocation or smart money allocation. The evolution of prop trading. The first generation of prop firms focused on physical trading floors. The second generation moved online. Third generation introduced global evaluation. Fourth generation is emerging right now, that is infrastructure driven prop trading, where performance, risk, execution analytics, and capital allocation operate through integrated systems. Let's look at the timeline. In 1990s, we used to see trading floors in which all the phones, all the devices were submitted or, they were taken away and the traders were left on the floors to trade with not even pen and paper in their hands or nothing in their hands. And then in 2005, we saw remote trading in which investors, prop firms, they used to allocate money, funds to various, traders, enthusiasts, outperformers, and remote trading came into existence. By 2015, we saw evaluation models in which there were evaluation challenges through which traders used to pass and they used to get funded with with the capital, and they used to trade, make some percentage of money over success fee, and they were profitable and the firms were also profitable. By recently 2025, we saw infrastructure driven prop trading in which big platforms like um, have you guys done any research on prop trading so far? Anyone?
I've just done a little bit of AI Googling. That's about it. Nothing in depth.
Any prop trading companies that you guys saw?
No.
No? Anybody saw Velo Trade? I will. Wait, I will make a list by the end of this call and I will give you four to five. Just do some AI. This is your homework. Do some AI search on prop trading firms. Look at their screening method, how they operate, what sort of challenges they have, and how people get funded, and what quantity of funds they allocate to winners or people who pass or qualify the challenges. And that would give you all a fair idea. And if especially if you all are willing to, participate as a trader yourself, then it would be great to do some research and background check as to what is happening in the market. And then that would give you enough acumen to, compare also with our Rift's prop trading infrastructure, how it is working and how it would operate. You know how to trade, you know how trading works. That's why you are able to relate with Swipes, auto trading engine, smart money. You are able to relate with the whole trading infrastructure that we have brought by Rift. And if you will understand a little bit about prop trading, then you'll be able to relate with prop trading infrastructure as well that we are going to bring. And the future is autonomous capital allocation with artificial intelligence, as I have been talking about in last 16 episodes. That is also future, what we are going to see after post infrastructure driven prop trading, from smart money to prop money. Smart money introduced a powerful idea with professional trading books, managed capital, managed risk, managed portfolio structures. Now imagine next evolution. Instead of only participating through trading books, you become the trader being allocated capital. The infrastructure begins identifying risk discipline, execution quality, consistency, capital preservation, portfolio management. These are the exact characteristics that professional capital seeks. The future of Rift prop trading. The long term vision is bigger than funding. The objective is creating a complete trader development ecosystem. Future Rift prop infrastructure may include performance scoring system, capital qualification frameworks, risk analytics engines, allocation profiles, trader ranking system, advanced evaluation layers, capital scaling pathways, trading book integration, smart money progression systems is the future journey that we are going on. Today, I'm not going into much detail. In the upcoming episodes, we will go in detail of how prop firms they allocate money and how traders lose their discipline and how they get their account defunded, and everything we are going to cover in next couple of episodes. And then we are going to go in even more detail about prop trading only. So today is just a introduction, and we are setting the base to learn and deeply get into prop trading infrastructure. This is a future journey that we have mapped. First, you get the demo account. You understand smart money participation with smart money. You get understanding of the trading book. You slowly and gradually understand risk qualification, and then you learn, understand, and observe, and then you can appear for prop evaluation. And once you pass the prop evaluation test, you become a funded trader, and you can do capital scaling, and you can get professional allocation from there on. This is the Rift architecture that we have planned for entry and scaling of professional traders. This is how traders will enter into Rift, and they would scale and get professional allocation. I'm not talking about small allocation, I'm talking about big allocation that traders, professional traders may receive with the Rift. For years, traders believed success came from finding better trades. Institutions learned a different lesson. Success comes from becoming a trader, better allocator of risk. The next decade will not be defined by who finds the next opportunity. It will be defined by who can manage capital most efficiently. And as financial infrastructure continues to evolve, prop trading may become less about proving you can trade and more about proving you can be trusted with the capital. Because in professional finance, capital follows discipline, not predictions. In the next episode 18, we will cover why most funded traders lose their accounts, the hidden psychology behind capital destructions. And this is how you will understand why and how most funded traders they keep their accounts as well. When you will understand why they lose their account, you will passively understand how to retain the accounts as well. The hidden psychology behind capital destruction. Getting funded is not the hard part, keeping the funding is. Every year, thousands of traders they pass evaluations, receive access to capital, and then lose their accounts within weeks. Not because they suddenly forgot how to trade, not because their strategy stopped working, but because managing funded capital requires an entirely different mindset than managing personal capital. In episode 18, we will uncover why traders behave differently once funded, the psychology of trading someone else's capital, how overconfidence destroys funded accounts, the danger of scaling too quickly, why risk management breaks after success, the hidden metrics prop firms monitor, capital preservation versus profit generation, the institutional mindset that keeps trader funded, real examples of funded traders who lost 6 and 7 figure allocations. How Rift prop trading infrastructure could evaluate trader behavior beyond profitability. We'll also explore one of the most misunderstood truths in professional trading. The trader who makes the most money is rarely the one who receives most capital. The trader who protects capital usually does, because professional finance rewards trust before returns. This is it for tonight, and on Monday, we will come back and see each other in episode 18. And as we are now getting subtly deep into prop trading, slowly and gradually, we will, as I said, by episode 23, we will start exploring along with prop trading understanding of the industry. We will slowly get along to the next segment, that is all new brand new feature that we are bringing on Drift, and it is very interesting. I would say I would not reveal today, but it is really interesting, especially to the retail users. That's something most of the world is doing during you know exciting times. It is something that would keep you always engaging, and smart people will make a lot of money, while enjoying this whole feature. So, yeah, have some patience till episode 23. I'm going to surprise you with something really crazy and exciting.
Well, definitely cannot wait. The anticipation will be killing us all the way to episode 23. So, but we will wait patiently. Looking forward to it. Chavez, why would a company take such a risk and go through all of this? Because part of labor or finding people to do things and is, that training time, that downtime that it takes to train people, evaluate, and then put them into allocate the capital. Why would a company take this risk and this
Uh,
this energy?
That's why I said go and do some research tonight of how prop firms they operate and what sort of companies are out there doing this. And
Hmm.
for us, it is a very different case, Grace. We are training people. We are training fresh lobby or fresh minds. We are first training you for basic trading, giving you smart money access, giving you access to strategies, how smart money allocates capital. And for us, this is a different thing. This is a unique journey. But for prop firms, usually it is a win-win situation because all professional traders they participate. People who have skills but do not have money, they seek these companies to get funded. For us it is a very different case, but
Okay.
usually in the generic sense to prop firms, this is something that they do for, and they make a lot of money because success fee is a huge turnover for them.
It is. I saw in just a little bit that I looked at, we're talking 70 to 90%
Mhm.
of the trader keeping the profits and the traders keeping that kind of profit, 70 to 90% of it. So I'm
Uh,
looking at that, I'm going, oh my gosh, that is huge when you look
mhm,
at the amount of money they're allocated. So,
mhm.
um, but when they lose their seven to whatever digit accounts, isn't that based on the fact that the company has lost some money?
No, no, no. So
Okay,
it's not, it's before. I mean, losing account means the company takes back the funding.
okay,
It's not losing money. So if your discipline starts to crack, the company withdraws the funding. So that's the
gotcha.
whole infrastructure. So it's not about just making losses. It's a very intelligent and managed, industry.
Highly monitored.
Before before trader loses the money, the
Mhm.
money gets pulled back by the firms.
Gotcha. Okay.
Mm.
Making sense. Yeah, just took a real quick gander at that, looking at that prop trading, and it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. So thank you so much for the education, the warming up, and the future episodes. Any other questions or comments from the panelists?
I'll just comment just to
Yeah.
say thank you very much, Chavez. That's fantastic information there. And I think probably everybody's excited to have a go. We will be waiting, but we will not be waiting patiently. We will be waiting impatiently. So hurry up. Because I think we all want to have a try. We all want to have a see. It's going to be exciting to see Rift evolve. And as we see more and more features added, and it'll become an even more exciting opportunity. So, it's just amazing to see. So we will wait impatiently, but we will wait nonetheless. Thank you very much, Chavez.
Thank you so
See,
much. Yeah.
see, Shavas, I tried to be diplomatic. That was just diplomacy out the window. Get on with it. Get on with it right away. Okay. Thank you. Sandy, you had your hand up. Sandy, could you put your hand up again to let's take a question from you? Mm, okay. Sandy, go ahead and put your video on, please. Mm, okay. Go ahead and unmute.
Thank you. Can you hear me okay?
Very well.
Yeah.
Thank you. Chavez, thank you so much for Rift. It's absolutely amazing. Um, it's the best project I've been involved with for 14 years, and I've kissed a lot of frogs to get to find Rift, and it's been worth it. Your support is absolutely incredible. Every time it's the best support I've ever come across. Every time I send an issue, they resolve the issue, but not only resolve it, they explain why it happened. It's just unbelievable. I've never had that. So thank you. I'm just wondering with the prop firm trading that's coming, will that be automated at all, or will that be made simple? Bit like your swipe system, which is because I'm not a trader, I can't be bothered to read charts and stuff, right, and analyze.
We are
Patience,
trying.
patience.
We are trying to build AI assistance with prop trading, and it's extremely difficult. But yeah, we are trying to bring some automation, and that's why I'm also, setting some, episodes with training on Claude, so that I can train the community to use AI tools to develop your own tools and your own, you know small techniques to learn how to trade and efficiently trade. That's what we are going to do in next couple of weeks. But yes, it will not be fully automated, but yet it will be assisted tech. And thank you so much. I really appreciate the feedback that we are getting from the community on support on Rift. It took years and years of hard work, and I would say multiple failures for us to develop and bring up such an incredible concept with such a precision. And still, we are doing the same, Sandy. The next feature, which is coming next up on Rift, is something even crazier. It is around smart money, but a different industry of. It's absolutely a new industry that affiliate marketing has never seen before. I mean, people have done this in affiliate marketing, but in a wrong way. And we are doing it in a very professional, in a very concrete way. So can't wait to reveal the next feature. And yeah, thank you.
Uh,
Thank you so much.
And this will
Thank you.
be after the prop firm, right? So you're
This will be
launching.
before. This will be before the
Okay. All right.
yeah.
Can't wait to hear. Thank you so much again, Chavez. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sandy says that's better than the McDonald's hamburgers. Okay,
That's a private joke. Yeah, anyway, I'll explain that another time.
right, right, and then he's trying to be Chantel Leaks #2. So we'll keep an eye out on Sandy there. Rajiv, anything?
No,
You're
nothing. But
okay.
absolutely, this the support thing. What Sandy said, it is unbelievable. I'll tell you, give an example. Guy, people are very inquisitive. They went into the hash, they read, they saw what is it, then they went to the other side on the scanner. They saw it is showing buy here, but the same thing is showing sell over there. So he says, "Oh, your thing is showing buy here, but when I go over there, it is showing sell. How is this possible? The same hack." And the explanation that they gave and said, my God, you can learn how to read these hashes on the decks, because it's very difficult to understand when you read these hashes on the decks. It is not easy to understand that entire transaction. They explained that entire thing, how it happens, it was like amazing. Amazing, like schooling, like teaching you from beginning. It was beautiful. I said,
And
my God.
let me tell you all, there are no humans which are handling the support. It's fully like
Oh,
it's all AI.
Yeah,
We just trained it. Zero humans.
Wow.
oh, that is amazing.
that's
Completely amazing. Well, Chavez, it is wonderful every time you come on. Is educational, is fun, it is informative, and always the next bar. I feel like I'm on Star Trek, the Enterprise, with you. Okay, It's at the next frontier. And now, the episodes. Will you be coming
Okay.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday so we can get to episode 23 in next week?
Yes. Yes.
Rushing you, no rush, no pressure. Okay,
Sure. I
very
will be.
good, very,
Thank
very good. Thank you all. You guys
you.
have been absolutely phenomenal.